Guys, I am giving away 3 Visa gift cards for $200, $100, and $50. To find out how you can win, watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hackbuster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna do part 3 of toothpaste life hacks. So let's get started. So, along with thinking stupid, do the 5-minute craft people think their audience is blind as well? Because seriously, even in their video, when they first put the chocolate in the toothpaste holder, the consistency of the chocolate is like muddy. But when they pour it in the bread, it is so liquidy. That's how you know it is not sneaker candy anymore. It is regular Hershey's chocolate. So, I think this one is going to be completely busted, but I'm still going to try it out so you guys can see if it's busted or not. So, it's hammer time. Alright, so now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 4 minutes and see what actually comes out of it. Alright guys, so this is a good example of why listening to 5-minute craft is actually a really bad idea. Because in the video, they were instructed to put the candy in the microwave for 4 minutes. It's been only about 3 minutes and I heard a loud noise coming from a microwave. And this is what I found. So the chocolate is completely burned and I'm pretty sure it tastes bitter right now, but I'm still going to follow their instruction and attempt to put it in this toothpaste holder right here. It is still really hot. Guys, I am trying to squeeze it out with all my strength. So far it looks like candy grease or something came out, but it's definitely not chocolate. This literally looks like a piece of... You know exactly what I mean. So I'm going to see if this actually tastes anything like a Snickers candy. Yeah. That is really bitter. If you ever had sugar get burned and you try to eat it, you know how it's really crunchy? That is the texture of this candy and it does not taste like Snickers at all. It is really bitter. So from the beginning, as I said, I'm definitely absolutely right. This hack is completely busted. Alright, so let's see our next genius but hopefully less disappointed life hack. Yeah, I do think that one is going to be a lot less disappointing because toothpaste do have a minty smell. I mean, yeah, we brush our teeth with it to get rid of bad breath. So I do think this one is definitely going to work, or hopefully it is plausible. So let's try it out. Alright guys, welcome to the Hackbuster kitchen where I hopefully don't cut myself. But let's cut some garlic. Time to get myself smelling all garlicky and stinky and gnarly. Let's do it. Who wants to give me a handshake? Nice to meet you. Hopefully I'm not stuck with this smell because I have to go to work tomorrow. Alright, so I'm going to go wash my hand right now and see if I have that smell stuck in my hand or not. So be right back. Alright, my hand is all washed right now. Let's see if it still smells. Initially, it seemed like it actually did work, but after about 5 to 10 minutes, the smell did come back. You know how after you brush your teeth, you have that minty toothpaste smell in your breath, but after about 10 minutes, it goes away? That's exactly how this was. So initially, right after washing it, there was no garlic smell in the hand, and the hand actually smelled a little bit like toothpaste. But after about 10 minutes, the toothpaste smell went away and the garlic smell came back exactly as it was before. So I'm going to call that one busted as well. So as you saw from the 2 hacks that we did today, the first one was definitely miserably busted. Yeah, this is not liquidy at all. Ow. This thing as solid as rock. Just like the last video, I'm so disappointed in this one as well because both of the hacks today were completely busted. I am really disappointed in 5-Minute Craft. You guys are supposed to be a crafting channel where you guys teach people how to make life simpler. If you cannot come up with ideas, do not show lies. That is not good publicity. Why am I talking like Donald Trump? That is so not good publicity. I'm also really horrible at impressions. So I'm just gonna stick with recreating life hacks. Let me know if you liked the toothpaste series of part 1, 2, and 3. This was actually recommended by one of you guys, so thank you so much for that. I actually love it when you guys talk to me, interact with me. I love talking to you guys, commenting, replying to you guys. So please let me know if you have any curiosity of any life hacks that you want to see if it's realistic or not. Let me know in the comments below and I will try to do it in the future. Okay, so now that you have watched the whole video, as I trust you did, to enter for a chance to win those 3 Visa gift cards, first of all, you have to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, you're going to have to share this video in your Facebook and Instagram. Definitely don't forget to tag me. Here's my Facebook and here's my Instagram. Do not forget to like the Facebook and follow on the Instagram. To decide who will win which amount is completely up to you guys. For example, the person that is most active and share the video the most often has a higher chance of winning a higher amount. Also, be creative guys. Take a picture of yourself or record a small video talking about this channel. That will also increase your chance of winning and winning a higher amount. This contest will end when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So, as soon as you get to 1,000 subscribers, you guys will win the gift cards. So, best of luck guys. Since a lot of you guys are from international countries, I'm not really sure if those gift cards can be used in other countries. So, I'm thinking about exchanging those gift cards for either a hoverboard or PlayStation 4 Pro. Let me know which one you guys like better, or if you guys want to keep it as the gift cards. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell notification so you know every time when I post a video, and definitely don't forget to share it so your friends and family also knows which life hack is real and which one is fake so they don't waste their time and money recreating them. To see part 1 of the toothpaste life hacks, click right here. To see part 2, click right here, and definitely most importantly, click my face to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. Peace.